Today we are going to learn something new. So we are going to learn fast food names. So let's start our today's topic. What is this? Do you know? Popcorn. 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 What is this? Do you know? Any guesses? Sandwich. Sandwich. What is this? Do you know? Pizza. Pizza. What is this? Do you know? Burger. Burger. What is this? Do you know? Donuts. Donuts. What is this? Do you know? Milkshake. Milkshake. What is this? Do you know? Hot dog. Hot dog. What is this? Do you know? Fried chicken. Fried. What is this? Do you know? Taco. Taco. What is this? Do you know? Pancakes. Pancakes. Any guesses? Do you know? Ice cream. Icecream. What is this? Do you know? French fries. French. French fries. Any guesses? Do you know? Nuggets. Nuggets.